y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows, now I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm gonna prime my eyes using my Ulta Beauty Concealer in medium warm, and I'm gonna set it with my Urban Decay setting powder. Next, for my eyeshadow, I'm just going to use my Beauty Bay bronzer in Chesnut. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all, so you'll be alerted about my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using Kiss Lash Strip Lashes in the style Drop, and I'm going to use my House of Lashes eyelash glue. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil, and I'm also going to use my Essence waterproof mascara. Okay, I already moisturized my face. Now I'm using my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Flawless IRL Skin Perfecting Foundation in the shade Bronze Venus. For some more coverage, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. highlight, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in medium warm, and I'm just going to put this all in places where the light would naturally hit my face. Next, I'm just using my Beauty Bay bronzer again and just contouring my nose as well as bronzing my face. Now I'm using a combination of my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach and my Urban Decay setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm using the Beauty Bay Blush in Coral. Now I'm using the Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter in Twilight Gleam. For lips, I'm using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Dream On Lip Gloss in Electric Lemonade, and I'm using my NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this everyday makeup look using bronzer as an eyeshadow. I just wanted to do something simple that you could come out and do when you're in a rush and you need to come out and go to work or wherever you have to go. You don't have to spend a lot of time on your makeup. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. I appreciate you all watching. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, all my social media handles will be listed in the description box. Also, please like, share, and comment. I would love to hear from you all. Also, you can let me know if there's any makeup looks that you would love to see. And just let me know so I can come on and do them. And I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.